Those of you just joining us, this is Tatiana Tauanu'u, originally from Santa Ana. You just heard the amazing voice of Tatiana Tauanu'u. How about it for our flag bearers right up here in the front? With the flag of America Samoa is RJ, Tatiana's younger brother.
Let's go.
With the flag of Samoa is Ty, her god brother.
Let's go.
In the middle, please stand up. This is Tatiana's grandfather. I just learned something amazing. This talent comes from the family. Lala, who performed earlier, they're cousins.
Let's go! Roll bloodline, baby!
Tell us what you plan to do with your music, because it's obvious to me that you should pursue this.
Actually, I would like to take my music and share it with the world and really bring my gifts from God.
Yes. Yes. Amen. Amen. Round of applause for Tatiana. One of the reasons we wanted to have this is provide a platform for our children to support them. We didn't leave Samoa to Santa Ana to just come and be regular. Be great, Tatiana, because you are great. Thank you so much for your presence today and your gifts. Keep going. We cheer you on all the way. Go all the way. way.